Hello Tuggers, this is Alston from ClickTag. Today we are going to do a video review on one of the latest AppSumo deal, which is called InVideo. It is a video editing platform to create slideshow kind of image, video and video ads. So far we are using another solution for our company and also for our personal projects, but since from the launch it has got about 54 reviews now, so we thought why not try it out and see whether this platform actually delivers what it promises. Okay, so without further ado, let's check into this. First, about the offer, we are getting a $49 plan, and we actually getting the professional plan of this app for one code, and based on the code we stack, we'll getting the different plans, and the video limitation increases and the duration of the video too. Okay, let's log in to the system to see how the tool actually looks like. Okay, this is the introduction page which you will see once you logged into the video system. There are two primary types of video you can create. One is called quick videos and another is a storyteller. To be honest, the storyteller is usually good for when you want to create longer videos, and quick videos like for Instagram ads or any promotional video ads, which you need to do it very quickly, and also it has all the images, transaction, text and everything fully ready, so it's really easy to create quick videos through this. Today I'll show you an example on both of these things, so you can have a look into it and see whether this tool is perfect for you or not. Okay, let's, for example, first let me show you some sample videos they show it to us on this category. If we play, you can see they have given 3 sample videos like this kind of videos, which we will be able to create using this section. Okay, let's close it out, and you can select the video ad or video you want to create. For here, let me click on Instagram videos and let me click on pick. Okay, this is the main editing area where you can select your preferred templates. So far they have over 100 plus templates on InVideo, but they are claiming they will be adding more and more every month. Okay, this is the video format section. You can pick on the size of the video you want for Instagram or based on your videos, or you can select all to see all the images. Then you select the template which you love. For example, this one looks good, let me select it, and here you can see the video format again, and it will show you a quick preview also. And once you've decided on whether this is the design you want to do, then click on the start with this template. And also I like a quick feature about these things, whenever it's loading or progressing, it usually gives a small tiny tip, so we can improve ourselves to create really amazing videos. Okay, let's wait on this. Okay, this is the video which we selected. You can already select main sections. These are the section which you can do major edit on your video. Here you can upload your own photos, or you can search on the online library. And also another cool thing is they just introduced the free stock videos from Pixabay and Pixels, and you can search those stock videos from here to add into your project. I'll show you those examples when I do the other longer type video. For here, for the purpose, let's do it quickly. You can see different slides are here. You can check on different slides what you want. You can replace the image. You can search the image and make it here, bring it here. For example, if you want to change the type, you can change it here. Let me type different text to see how it works. And you can change the primary font, and if you have any custom font request, you can ask the support team, they will help you out, but they have a big collection. And you can change the color, animation, text box animation, and everything. And also another quick tip I like about this tool is there's a small button called grids. If you click on it, it will give you nice guidelines on where the to place the elements to make sure that it has been aligned correctly on the video section and everything. And also you can change the images here, and this is another quick effect. Currently it will apply a default transition when it moves to scene from scene, but for example, if you want to have a different transition, you can click on this, and it has so many different other variation which you can use for it. And it also create nice one to see that actually the transaction in a preview, so you don't need to click apply and see the effects. You can just hover over it and you can see the effect. Okay, once you finished with these things, and if you just want to preview this scene, you can click on the preview button here to see only the preview of this scene. This is how the scene will look like. It will give you a short preview, and once you edited out these images and everything, once you are ready to go, you can just click on preview and export. This will generate a low resolution preview for you guys to see actually before exporting the videos. As you can see, the text can be changed, image, animation, we can add stock video into this, and also total duration will be shown here, so you can make adjustment according to your plan or your limits. If you want to edit this, you can close it out or click on edit again to go back and edit. If everything looks good, you can click on the export video button and it will start the exporting process. And also another good function is once you export finish the project also, they give the option to edit it. So in case if you want to make any changes or any updates to the project, you can go back and edit it and generate another video. Okay, you can see in this page it shows that video is processing, and you can also see the actual processing amount. Based on the server load, they will take it on various kind of time to generate it, but you don't need to be online to finish this rendering process, so you can close it out and come back and download it. Here this is another video I just created to test it out, and you can see this is how the completed project video will look like. You can see the completed, and if you click on this download button, it will start the download process for the video, and you can edit this project by clicking on this. Okay, okay, that is the quick video. Let's go and see the longer version of video. For me, I actually use this one much more since I'm a blogger. Let's see some sample videos for this. Hopefully you can hear the sound too. Okay. Let's see. Let's start. Similarly, you can select the video format. For example, I'll select 16:9 for YouTube videos, and let me select a theme. I like this one, it looks cool. Once I've selected it, you can see the preview like for the other video section. Then click with start with template. This is where it gets different. I like this option. They've given us 3 options. One, you can directly add the content here and it will automatically generate scenes for you. One line equals to one scene, and this is the headline, the first section. Another option, if you don't have an text with you but you like to make a video out of your blog post or an tips kind of article, then you can use it with the this option where you can just paste it on your blog post and will it extract those lines from your article. You will be remove the lines you don't want and everything. It's possible, but they are given multiple option. And the third option, you can start without the content but with the images and video. Based on that, how many images and video used, it will create the scene. Okay, for this example I already have some text with me, so let me copy and paste it. First we'll put the title of the video, and I have 4 different lines, so we can create 4 different scenes. Then once you are done, just click on next. This is the next section you will be able to see. This automatically makes each line in my text which I pasted into different scenes. So you will be able to add a scene, and also you will be able to delete a scene if you don't want it, or if you want to change the order of the screen, you can change it by these arrows. It will also show a quick counter on which number this scene is in out of total scenes and everything. Okay, let's see, and total duration also shown here. Okay, this is the title, and you can see they have a quick little AI kind of feature where they try to scrape an image and already place it into a scene by, I think, possibly from words. So for whenever they find a word similar to an image they already have, I think they try to place it to make it easy on the users. Okay, for first example, this is my title. You can preview the scene from here itself to see how it actually looks. Yep, this is the scene. And if you want to have a different image, for example, let me search something like select a image from here. For example, you drag it out and place it over this image and it will automatically change it, and you can preview. Let's say for example you want to edit the elements in this scene, then click on edit scene. It will open up a pop-up with all sort of options. You will be able to edit the text. You will be able to change more options here, and there are more advanced options here too. They already have pre-made different styles for text elements, so you don't need to go everything from the scratch up. They already have nice little different designs. And you will be able to add social post and everything. For example, this is a quick little feature I just discovered in the last project, where if you give a social post URL here, it will automatically grab that post and embed it in nicely in the image as a kind of like a social proof or something like that. And we have other options like stickers. We have various stickers. For example, let me pick one. Let's go for emojis. Yep, you can select on the sticker you want. For example, let me pick this, and it automatically will get it added here. You can change the animation on how it should appear, and here also the preview will show for each one. When you hover over that, it will show the preview. Click on it, you can reduce the opacity and everything. And next, layouts are there, different various way to place the images and everything, multiple images and everything. These options are there for you. And overlays also there with different overlay images on various effects and everything. You can try it out and see which one you like for best. Okay, here you can add more text for this scene and everything. You will be able to add it here, and also you will be able to add voiceover for this scene and everything. Just click on add. You will be able to add voiceover. For example, you can record it or upload it from the computer if you have a mp3 file or something, and import it from workspace. If you already have uploaded it, you will be able to reuse it again and again. Once you have finalized all this scene, before just exiting out, if you want to see how this actually looks like, you can just click on this preview, and it will generate the preview based on all the elements additions we have made just now. Here you will be able to see the preview. Once everything is up to your satisfactory, just click on save, and that will be get adjusted. And if you, for example, if you say you don't want this slide, just click on the trash can and remove it, and it will get removed. You will be able to add stock videos like this. Search it here and drag it here and drop it, and it will get automatically added stock videos and everything in your project. Similar concept, and for the sake of this video, let me delete few others. And let's say this is the video I want. Currently it's 22 seconds, and you can add a music for this video. They have different sections on which you can pick it up, and you will be able to play it also. These are royalty free. They are given permission to use it on your video. If you have on your own personal truck, you have to contact the support and they will look into it. Select, you can play it if you want to see how it sounds like, and once you're happy, just click on select it, and the audio will get added to the video. Once everything is done, just click on preview and export, and it will now generate a preview for the whole video, not just the scene, based on your edits, and you will be able to see the video here. Looks kind of cool for the input I just made it. So there are so many options. Just try it out different ways and everything. Still I am figuring out. This is just a quick review, but probably in another time I will make a detailed review on this. Okay, once everything is done, just click on export video, and same like for the smaller promotional video, it will get starting to process and rendering the video. You can see here it started, and here you can see that previous video which we did, it has been already rendered. Just click on download and you will be able to get your video file to your computer. Okay, I think that is enough. The video has been gone too long enough. So if you like this tool and you think it will be worth to you, then I suggest you pick it up, and because I think there won't be another deal like this for the video editing. It's really simple and so many features, and the main plus point for me is that developers are actually listening to what users are requesting and everything. For example, they asked the stock video and they provided it, and another one, they initially wanted to give it an 720p dimension on the video. Now they are giving 180 since most of us requested it. So they actually listening, and they also have a public roadmap and everything. So if this video is useful, I request you guys to purchase this tool from my affiliate link. You will be able to see it below the video, so it will help for me to create more videos like this and help more people. Okay, thank you. See you in another video.